Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer Steam Guard authentication code from your previous device to your new TCL 40SE. And to do this, right here I downloaded a Steam app on my TCL 40SE, and here's my previous device. Now what we want to do is to log in using our normal credentials. And then now there's basically two different options that you can use. So you can log in using the mobile app from this device, from your previous device, and approve the access. If you don't have it, then click on I no longer have access to my authenticator. Then Steam will send you a message to the number that is bound to this Steam account, and you will need to enter the code from the message, I mean. But I'm gonna use the normal way, so let's approve the access, and it should log in any second. Here, click on Add Authenticator, move Authenticator. Now Steam will send you a message to the number with a code, and we'll need to enter it. Here you can see the code that you should take a screenshot of and then save it somewhere safe, so that you can recover your account in case you lose this phone or something bad happens. Let's click on done, and now the authenticator code is moved to this phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.